Any rocks you see on top generally will have 3 different spots that it's just touching on. Hello guys, it is I. Here we are on one of the rock formations that I've been on that rock formation, so you know I'm here. Where that robin just landed. And I observed 3-point connections. Many, can't say they were all. But basically any rocks you see on top generally will have 3 different spots that it's just touching on. And then anything that's built off of it, whether it's 2 rocks, the total off of the rest of that rock will be 3 points, and so on and so forth. And it's just very coincidental that I've been talking about this or known about this for years now, just little old me, and that Terrence Howard, I believe his name is, keep forgetting, yeah, he has some kind of, whether it's silly science or real science he's talking about, don't know.